let us learn to write names of fruits, joining the letters. Yes, look. First, let's write apple. You like apple? Yes. Now, let's write apple, small a, okay? A, P, P, L, E, apple. Now, let's write the A capital. All right? Look, capital A. A, P, P, L, E, apple. You like to eat apple? Good. Next, banana. You like to eat banana? Yes. Small b. B, A, N, A, N, A. Banana. Now let's write this B capital. Alright? B, A, N, A, N, A. Banana. Next, let's write cherry curd. Small c, okay? C, H, E, R, R, Y. Cherry. You like a bunch of cherries? Mmm, yummy. Let's write the C capital. Alright? C, H, E, R, R, Y. Cherry. Red cherries you like? Next, dates. Spell dates. Small d, okay? D, A, T, E, S. Dates. Now let's write D capital. D, A, T, E, S. Dates. Alright? Now let's write some more names of fruits. Okay? Let's now write grapes. G, R, A, P, E, S. Grapes. Now let's write the G capital. Okay? G, R, A, P, E, S. Grapes. You like to eat a bunch of grapes? Yes. Have you seen grapes? Have you eaten? There are green grapes, purple grapes, red grapes. Okay, let's write next another fruit. Mango, small m. M, A, N, G, O. Mango. You like to eat green mango, ripe mango? Good. Now let's write the M capital. Alright? M, A, N, G, O. Mango. Yes? Next, let's write orange. Small o. O, R, A, N, G. Orange. You like to eat orange? It's a color and a fruit. Let's write the O capital. O. R. A. N. G. E. Orange. Let's take another fruit. Plum. Small p. P. L. U. You like a nice juicy plum? Let's write the P capital. P. L. U. M. Plum. Okay, let's write some more names of fruits. Alright? Look. Now we'll write guava. G. U. A. V. A. Guava. You like guava? Raw or ripe? Let's write the G capital. G. U. A. V. A. Guava. Next, let's write peach. The color and the name of the fruit same. Small p. P. E. A. C. H. Peach. Alright? Let's write P capital. Shall we? P. P. E. A. C. H. It's a nice crunchy fruit. Next, kiwi. That's a lovely fruit too. K. I. W. I. Kiwi. It's nice green inside and brown outside. Let's write the K capital. K. I. W. I. Alright? Next, lemon. You like lemon? Lemon. L. E. M. O. N. Lemon. Like lemon juice? Yes. Let's write L capital. L. E. M. O. N. Lemon. Now let's write another fruit. What fruit shall we write? Watermelon. Big watermelon. Alright? Now, let's write. Spell watermelon. W. A. T. E. R. M. E. L. O. N. Watermelon. What's the color inside? Dark pink. Yes? Next. Jackfruit. The biggest fruit. Jackfruit. Let's write. J. A. C. K. Fruit. F. R. U. I. T. Jackfruit. Next, strawberry. Very good. You like a bunch of strawberry? Good. S T R A W P E R R Y. Strawberry. Next, pomegranate. P O M E G R A N A T E. Pomegranate. Okay? Good. Let's write now some more names of fruits. Let's write sweet lime. S W E E T. Sweet lime. Sweet lime. You like to eat sweet lime? Next. Blackberry. You like blackberries? Black. B L A C K. Blackberry. B E R R Y. Blackberry. They're very good. Alright? Next, custard apple. That's a lovely fruit that is custard apple. C U S T A R D. Custard apple. A T T L E. Custard apple. Next one, pineapple. A lovely fruit. Pineapple. P I N E. Pine apple. A P P L E. Pineapple. Okay? Pineapple. Like pineapple? Yes, a lovely fruit with a lot of thorns in it, but it's tasty.